Hello, I would like to show you how to create a live weekly lesson plan link so that you don't have to copy and paste and by logging into different sites and such. So I just have an outline here of what that looks like. You'll create two docs in your Google Drive. One of the docs will be your actual weekly lesson plan, so you can save them independently and copy them if you want, and then write over the top of them, however you want that to look. But then the other one will be the actual live link, so whatever you paste or write into that will be seen by the public users. And so that's why you need two of them. This is the one that you're working on, and this is the final product that others will see. Option one is to post then your live link to the school website under My Pages and just paste the link there if you choose to do the school website for your page. Or you can use Google Site, which is what I do. I'll show you that, where you embed the link inside as a Google page. All right, so let's get started. I'll go over here to my Google Drive. I have lesson plans by years. I keep them into separate years, so I've been teaching for a little while there. If I go into last year's file, I'm just going to go into my first week lesson plan. I also number them so they stay in order. So these are my weekly lessons, and I have some links into here for things that kids will be doing. I just list the date on the top, and this is the way we've done it at the middle school for quite some time. Okay, so now that I have that, and I type in here, I fill in what I'm going to do, and I save this as my date in case I need this for next year. Then I go back into my drive, and what I want to do is create a new Google Doc. Okay, and so this one will be the live doc. I'm running a little bit slow here, sorry. And so this one will be my live doc, okay? And then I'm going to share the link in a moment, but what I would do essentially is go to my weekly lessons, and I would just simply copy, so Control C, and then I would Control V, paste over my entire lesson plan, which you can see here. And I might name this one Live Weekly Plans. It doesn't really matter what folder that goes into. Okay, so now that I have that established in my mind that that's going to be where I paste my live weekly plans, and I usually don't put a date on that because this is just a note to me, but I do put the date on the plan itself, just not in the title. So now I want to share this link with the greater public, probably the parents mostly. And so what I'm going to do down here is I'm just going to copy. So right now only people with access can open the link, that's fine. Copy the link. If I want to, I can change it to anyone with a link, which is probably wise for this purpose. So I copy the link and I'm done. And now you decide, remember that option one is to paste to the school site, which I used to do happily. So you go to whichever school you're in, whether it's Dill Middle School or the Parkview School, and you click under faculty and you go to website login. And then once you click into your login, which I probably should have done there, once you click into the website login, enter your credentials. Mine are saved. Okay, and then you'll have your pages over here, and you get to choose which pages you want to have. I just have one page. It's called Welcome to History. And then what I say on there is please visit my Google site. So parents click on that site from the school site and it takes me to the Google site. But if I didn't, I might have Gibson plans. Sorry about that. And then I could literally paste the link right here. Just paste the link and make sure it's live. And I would save that down here. And then parents could click on your live link, and then you don't have to go in and paste this every week. But instead, what I have is on my pages under Welcome to Gibstory. Okay, so not now, I'm not going to watch that. I have this link right here, Must be a lot of new things. And I just make sure that that's a live link, which if you paste it, I think it is a live link on there. And so then when I go into that site, this is what it looks like from my editing page. If you have any information, if you've ever used or had experience with Google Sites, it's very user-friendly. This is all the editing tools over here. I have lots of pages, and the page where I put my lessons is right here. And it just shows up once I paste my link onto there. It actually just shows up. So just to show you what that would be like, I could paste a link right here. Okay, and it just inserts my actual lesson plan. And so now I don't ever have to paste it in there again. Whenever I change it on my doc, on my live lesson doc, which we just did right here, it literally will change it live on my website. And so that, and then you would have to publish on a Google site if you know how to use that. If you don't know how to use a Google site, please feel free to check mine out. I have a lot of ideas that I've taken from other teachers and borrowed, and it's really useful. It's user-friendly. The kids like it. I have them make sites in middle school for projects. I can also close down things that I don't want kids to see. I can hide it from navigation or parents. So I actually show under my 6th grade, I show whichever topics I'm teaching at that moment. So this one is live Mesopotamia, and then I take down all of my others from navigation at the time. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. I hope this was useful to you, and I hope it makes sense. And mostly, I hope it saves you time.